Hello, and welcome to the ThePandaClan. Today's video is a cozy all-day clean with me. Thank you so much for being here. I love this door organizer I got from Walmart. I put my little one's outfits in for the week so I don't have to search her dresser in the mornings. I saw this hack on YouTube a little bit ago and I highly recommend it. Today I'm also going through her clothes and taking out anything that doesn't fit anymore. I still had her suitcase packed since the last time we went on vacation. I use that pink camel bag right there as her suitcase and it works great because it has so many pockets inside and it's so deep inside. These are all the clothes that are going in a bag in the closet. Her diaper changer gets so dirty and dusty so fast. In the spray bottle, I'm using hot water, dish soap, and some essential oil, mint I think on this one. I found these weird stains under the diaper changer. So at this time, I was trying out some different sprays that I have seen on YouTube because I have a very sensitive nose. And if I clean and spray, I start getting lightheaded. On the next day, I have a horrible cough. But it seems like Method does just fine for me, but I still love trying new sprays and different scents. That's the fun part about cleaning. And talking about strong scents, that mid essential oil was so strong. I have not used that oil since that day, and I only used like maybe 6 drops. That's everything in between the rail and the bar. That giant box I got for a baby's gift, and I store all my little ones' memories in that box. My 2-year-old has so many books, I missed 2 in the background. I am now in her bathroom. I had recently cut my husband's hair, so I still needed to pick everything up and sweep up the hair. He will do this part or help me clean up after, but I told him not to touch anything because I was filming the next day. This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you every Tuesday and Thursday at 10 a.m. Central. Thank you so much again for being here.